Every startup journey moves through ideas, testing, and building, but it all narrows to one question. Is this a problem worth solving? A lot of startups don't fail because the product was ugly or the team moved too slowly. They fail because not enough people truly needed what they made. Great startup ideas often begin with something painfully ordinary. A task you repeat, a slow system you fight, or the same avoidable error that keeps wasting time until you finally think there has to be a better way. When the same frustration keeps showing up over time, it stops looking like a bad day and starts looking like an opportunity. The signal gets stronger when your frustration isn't just yours. If different people keep describing the same pain in different words, you're starting to see a real shared problem. This is where founder interviews matter. When you ask people what they're doing now, what's slowing them down, and what they've already tried, the useful patterns start to surface. If you keep hearing the same frustration again and again, that's no longer a random complaint, that's a signal the problem is real. A valuable startup doesn't invent pain. It steps into a bad workflow that already exists and makes the better path feel obviously faster, simpler, and more reliable. The best opportunities usually show 3 green flags. The problem is real, the current solution is weak, and people are already looking for something better. Some ideas are vitamins, nice to have, easy to ignore. Others are painkillers. People want them now because the pain is immediate, expensive, or exhausting. Painkillers win because customers pull them into the market. That urgency drives adoption, recurring revenue, and outcomes people can actually feel. The best founders often see what everyone else has learned to ignore. In a noisy world, they notice the friction hiding in plain sight. And then comes the strategic question. If this problem is real, why hasn't anyone solved it well yet? That's where startup possibility begins. That's how you start spotting a startup problem worth solving. In the next episode, we'll look at how to choose the right startup idea and keep growing as a founder.